Introducing the HiBREW H11 coffee machine and G3A coffee grinder. Today, we're making cold brew coffee. Let's start by grinding the beans. I prefer using the automatic grinding feature, which ensures a uniform powder. With the machine in a shutdown state, long press the power button to enter cold brew mode. Next, simply clean the brewing head, and place a piece of filter paper on the handle. For the best taste, add ice cubes to your cup. Now, long press any cup volume button to customize the water volume.